To start T-Mobile service, you can activate either a physical SIM card or an eSIM. A SIM is a physical chip that stores your network information, while an eSIM is a digital version programmed over the air. Before activating, ensure you have a T-Mobile compatible device, a valid ID for verification, and either an existing account or a new plan purchased. You can activate through T-Mobile's website, mobile app by visiting a store or calling their support team. For eSIM activation, simply scan the QR code that T-Mobile provides through their app or website for instant digital setup. For physical SIM, insert the card, power on your phone, connect to Wi-Fi, and follow the prompts to enter your IMEI number and plan information. The process typically takes 5 to 15 minutes. T-Mobile's app version 12.5 supports one-tap activations to reduce wait times and includes biometric verification like Face ID for secure setup. Common activation issues include IMEI mismatches or network signal problems. T-Mobile provides 24/7 support via chat or the app. The trend is moving toward digital activations with eSIM dominance. T-Mobile predicts 70% eSIM adoption by 2027. They're also using AI chatbots in their app for troubleshooting. In the future, expect automated activations via blockchain for secure verification and integration with 6G networks for instant app-less setups. T-Mobile facilitated over 5 million eSIM activations during the iPhone 15 launch, with 85% completing via the app. T-Mobile's ease of activation reduces customer churn by 15%, and their eSIM strategy positions them as leaders in digital transformation.